Okay, this is Leetcode question 9, palindrome number. In this one we are given a number. We need to tell in true or false whether it is palindrome or not. So one thing I find like in this, like if it's a negative number and if we reverse it, then it will be like negative after that number. So for all the negative number we should always return false. That can be a base case if x is less than 0, return false, do not do anything. And for the positive numbers also, like if x is 0, then always it's a palindrome, then return true. Okay, and for rest of the cases we will try to solve it. So the easiest way is, let's make it like x times a string, so this will become a string, and then just do just create two pointers, one from a start and one from end, and verify whether they are same, and then increment the initial first one and decrement second one and check whether second one like both are same. Okay, so for that ptr1 it will start from 0, let ptr2 will be x dot length -1. Now while ptr1 is less than ptr2, we check if, or we can do like this, x is x dot split x of ptr1 if it's not equal x of ptr2, that means it's not a palindrome, and we return false, and then we increment 1 and decrement 1. At the end, like if we do not return false, that means we completed traversal using these two pointers, and then we'll return true. Let's try to run this. Oh, s is not defined. Oh sorry, this is spelling mistake, x. Split is not a function. Let me check. No, this is a function. Plus, oh yeah, by appending a blank string, we converted our x number to a string, and then we apply this split method so that it will give us a character array, and then we'll do our logic. Okay, now try to submit. Okay, so this looks good. Thank you.